Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope all of you are utilizing your winter vacation to study hard and you are doing revision very well. So today we are going to start with the trigonometry questions itself. So as in yesterday video we have discussed some trigonometry questions. In those questions also we have solved those questions with the help of the rationalization. So I am having here a few more questions here. In this type of question also we will do the rationalization. So what I am trying to convey here that we have to identify the functions. हमें ऐसे फंक्शंस को पहचानना है कि उनका रैशनलाइजेशन करने से सोल्व होगा या नहीं होगा. तो अभी हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि हम ऐसे डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस की कलेक्शन लाएं कि जिनसे हमें उनकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो सके कि हमें स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से करनी है. और ये स्टार्टिंग वाली मेन प्रॉब्लम है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के क्वेश्चंस में. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो जैसा कि आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, अंडर रूट सेकेंड थीटा -1 अपॉन सेकेंड थीटा +1. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर हैविंग योर टू टर्म्स. these are the two trigonometry function and these are rational function also, and in the right hand side we are having 2 cosecant theta here. So we will start from the left hand side itself. Okay, in such questions whenever we are having two or more than two term in the left hand side and in the right hand side we are having only single term, so definitely we will not start from the RHS. Okay, we will start from the LHS itself. Okay, now how we will get the idea that we need to do the rationalization. So first of all, this is a rational function. Whatever is given, this is a rational function, means one numerator and one denominator, and there the terms are also similar, like secant theta -1 upon secant theta +1, only the difference of the sign here. In the yesterday video also the question was cos theta -1 upon cos theta +1. So this is a big hint here. When we are having the two same terms, only the difference of the mathematical sign there, so definitely rationalization will work there. So what we will do here, just do the rationalization in the left hand side in both the terms, So the first term is, and inside the square root only, secant theta -1 upon secant theta +1 into secant theta -1 upon secant theta -1. This is the first term here, plus square root secant theta +1 upon secant theta -1 into secant theta +1 upon secant theta +1 here. Okay, so this is the LHS and we have done the rationalization in both the terms here. Now just there is a multiplication of two rational functions. Like in rational number we multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator here. So now the next step will be secant theta -1 multiplied with secant theta -1. So both the functions are same, so it will be whole square of this number, secant theta -1 whole square. And in the denominator what is there, a plus b, and this is a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. So a is what, secant theta square minus 1 square will be 1, and there is a square root, plus in here also in the numerator both the terms are same, so it will be whole square, and in the denominator a minus b and a plus b, it will be a square minus b square. So right here secant square theta minus 1. So in two steps we have done almost the complete question here. So whenever we are using any formula, which formula we have used in this step, that a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So just describe this thing here, that we are using this formula, so it will make extra effort, extra impression on the examiner. So now in the next step we will keep this whole square as it is, but we know that secant square theta -1. secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Just replace in both the terms here. So it will be secant theta minus 1 whole square upon tan square theta plus square root secant theta plus 1 whole square upon tan square theta. So now here, now what we are going to use here, that p square upon q square, we can write this as p by q whole square. So this will be under root secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta, and this will be whole square, plus secant theta plus 1 upon tan theta, and this is also whole square. So in this scenario, whole square and the square root will cancel out each other. So the next term we will be getting here in the next step will be secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta plus secant theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Now take the LCM. LCM will be tan theta. So here in the first term it will be secant theta minus 1 plus secant theta plus 1. And what will happen? Plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel each other. This will give us 2 secant theta upon tan theta. And when we will simplify it, this will be secant theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta, and tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. So this will be 2 upon sin theta, and you can write this as 2 cosecant theta. So this is the answer, and this is equals to RHS. Now you can write hence proof. This is the RHS only, 2 cosecant theta. So I hope this is clear to all. So nothing we have done the rationalization only. So now just solve this question also. This is also very similar. So what you have to observe here in the starting itself, that this is a rational function, and in the numerator and the denominator the terms are almost similar, only the difference of the sign here. So definitely we are going to apply here the rationalization. So and we will start with the left hand side only. So just write left hand side and do the rationalization right here in the word, and after writing it just do the rationalization under the square root. 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. So what this will give us? In the numerator both the terms are similar, so it will be whole square divided by 1 minus sin A, means A minus B. This is A plus B. So this will be A square minus B square. It means A square means 1 square, it will be 1 minus sin square, and there is square root also. So here we have used one identity, that is A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. So you have to write this also, so the examiner can give a fair idea what you are doing here. Now in the next step we will be using here the same thing, p square upon q square can be written as p by q whole square. So this we can write as 1 plus sin A upon this can be written as, we have skipped one thing, 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A. So this will be cos A and whole square. Square and square root will cancel out. What will be left? 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now separate the terms. 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. This will give us secant theta plus tan theta. This is the answer. Or this is equals to the RHS. Hence proof. Secant A plus tan A. So these are the few questions which are the part of the previous year Cbse question paper. Okay, class 10. This is this question was asked in last year 2020 and this question was asked in 2019 and 2012. So questions are very much easy. Just if we start the proper studying, we started in a proper way, definitely we will be getting the answer. So thanks for watching till the end. Keep preparing.